Having a good muffin recipe in your back pocket that you can make anytime, anywhere, is actually super impressive. Like if you're traveling with people or people stop by unexpectedly, these are those muffins. You can make them with whatever fruit you have in the fridge, whatever is ripe right now. I've even done it with apples and cinnamon. The options are endless. Whatever fruit you choose, you need about a half cup. This recipe is also great because you don't really need a stand mixer to do it. This can totally be done by hand. In the bowl, we're gonna combine 1.5 cups flour and a half cup sugar. Then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and stir that to combine. Then in a separate bowl, we're gonna combine all of our wet ingredients. I like to use a glass measuring cup like this because then I don't need to measure everything as it goes in. So we're gonna add 1/3 cup of oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a half cup of milk. The only trick with doing it in this measuring cup is you are gonna have to do some math. Okay, once we have all of our bits pulled together, we're gonna add the wet mixture to the dry mixture and carefully fold it together to incorporate. Then we're gonna stir in the sour cream or yogurt and the berries. You wanna be careful not to overmix. It can be a little undermixed and will turn out just fine. Once everything's mixed, we're gonna scoop the batter into a greased muffin tin. We're gonna fill these about 3/4 full. I like to sprinkle the top of each muffin with a chunky sugar. Something like a pearl sugar or a turbinado is perfect. And then these go into the oven to bake. It's about 15-20 minutes at 325 until a toothpick comes out clean. When the muffins are done, we're gonna let them cool in the pan for just a few minutes, and then we'll move them to a rack and let them cool longer. These muffins are so easy and delicious, and people are always impressed when you can just like whip up some muffins real quick, so you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you back here soon.